Picture a new hire emailing the whole world at 3 a.m. Classic global team faceplant that sparks chaos. Newbies worldwide ignore time zones, turning quick reply into midnight nightmares for teammates. Does everyone speak English like Shakespeare? Cue hilarious misunderstandings and botched projects. If you like our video, consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Skipping cultural check-ins leads to thumbs-up disasters. Offensive in some spots, gold in others. Hoarding info like a dragon, global squads crumble without open vibe-matching shares. Micromanaging across borders? It kills trust faster than a bad Zoom filter mishap. Don't let these blunders bury your career. Pick up the hints now before your team ghosts you forever. Smash like to sync up success. Fling shares like international frisbees. Comment your epic fail to fuel the fix frenzy.